Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Abraham and I am a sophomore student from NIT Rourkela, currently pursuing civil engineering. Today I will be discussing a problem based on surveying fieldwork and it is problem number 8.5. The problem statement is an area defined by the lines of a traverse ABCDEA is to be partitioned by a line XY, X being on AB and Y on CD having bearing 196 degree 58 minutes. The area of XBCYX has to be 30,100 meter square. The coordinates of the traverse station are given in the table below. So here we have all the coordinates required. The concept used in the solution are to be discussed. The first one is coordinate system in surveying. What is easting and what is northing? The second is calculation of area using coordinates and what is determinant form. Let us see. The coordinate system in surveying is similar to the Cartesian system which is used in mathematics. In this, we introduce two terms, that is one easting and northing. The easting is basically the departure from origin of that point and northing is the latitude from origin of that point. So if I consider this point to be A, then its easting will be the departure of this point from origin. Let's say this is our origin. So this will be our easting and this will be our northing. Now I wish to calculate area of a polygon using its coordinates. For example, I have taken a triangle over here and I have named its vertices as A, B and C in anti-clockwise sense, and the coordinates are given in this table. Before applying the formula, first I would draw two types of lines from coordinate to coordinate in this table. The first type of line is solid line, which connects the coordinate of top left to the coordinate of bottom right, and I will draw all the possible types of solid lines over here. The second type of line is dotted line, which is from bottom left to the top right coordinate, and I will draw all the possible cases. Remember, this is just for simplicity and ease of understanding. Now we'll apply the formula. The formula is area or delta is equals to half multiplied by x1 multiplied by y2, and this solid line denotes that we have to apply positive sign. The solid line is for positive sign and dotted line is for negative sign. So it will come positive x1 y2, then minus y1 x2, then positive x2 y3, then minus y2 x3 and so on. One thing to remember here is when we take the sense of naming a polygon or a traverse in anti-clockwise sense and we apply the formula accordingly, the answer always comes in positive. But if we take the sense of naming to be clockwise, the answer will come in negative. So we need to keep this in mind. Now let us see the solution. Here I have drawn the traverse and named them A, B, C, D and E, and I have taken two coordinates capital X and capital Y which are at a distance small x and small y from B and C. Now for analyzing the coordinate of X, the northing of X should be equal to 760. Why? Because it lies on AB and here AB are having same northings, means they are having same latitude from origin. Therefore, X should also have 760 for northing. For easting of X, it is equal to easting of B minus small x, and since we know that easting of B is 1010, therefore I have put the value over here and let us call this as gamma. Now I will consider the line CD on which coordinate capital Y is lying. This is forming a right angle triangle, therefore I can apply similarities of triangle and we can deduce this relation from it. Now I can see the change of easting and change of northing with help of these two coordinates, and it is coming out to be 180 and 120 meters respectively. I have taken the help of these two coordinates as I wish to see the change of easting and northing in them, and I can find the value of this line CD using Pythagoras theorem, and it is coming out to be 216.33 meters. Therefore, now we can find the change of easting in y and change of northing in y by putting the values of the known, and it is coming out to be 0.832y and 0.555y respectively. Now, with using the values known, we can calculate the values of easting and values of northing for coordinate of y, and it is coming out to be 760 minus 0.32y and 260 minus 0.55y respectively, and we are assuming to be it alpha and beta. Now the bearing of xy being 196 degree 58 minutes that was given in the question, we can find the bearing for yx, and then we can apply this formula, that is tan bearing of yx is equals to easting of x minus easting of y divided by northing of x minus northing of y, and since we have assumed these variables, we can just plug it in and find a relation between the x and y. So here is the relation. Therefore, the easting of capital X is equals to 1010 minus x. We can put the values of x over here and find the equation in y, and let us say this as x dash, and we already know that northing of capital X is 760 meters. Now for writing the coordinates of x, b, c, y and x in determinant form, we can calculate the area. Here I have written the coordinates over here for simplicity and ease. The area of traverse x, b, c, y, x can be written over here in the manner that was discussed in earlier slides. After calculating this, we need to just plug in the values of beta and alpha and x dash, and after doing that, we'll get a quadratic equation in y. One thing to be noticed here is that our traverse xpcyx was considered in clockwise direction. Therefore, the computed area will come in negative. After considering that, we'll get an equation, a quadratic equation in y square, and from there we can get the solution for above equation, and that gives us y equals 23.06, and from that we can also get x is equals to 120.54 meters. Thus, we can finally calculate the coordinates of x and y. The easting of x is coming to be approximately 889 meters, and the northing of x we already know from the discussion earlier, that is 760 meters. The easting of y is coming to be 741 meters, and the northing of y is coming to be 273 meters. Thank you.